Have you ever opened Facebook Ads Manager and thought, what the hell is this? Yeah, me too. In this video, I'm going to take you into Facebook Ads Manager and explain the different campaign objectives to you. This is the first step you need to understand so your ads will be successful. Because lucky for you, I have spent thousands of hours studying and building ad campaigns to find out what works right now. So you don't have to. The power of a good ad is amazing. It's going to sell out events, fill webinars, increase your email list, get people to your store, and get people buying products. But most importantly, it's going to get you seen and take you from invisible to visible. So come with me and I'm going to take you straight into the Ads Manager. The real power of Facebook is in the Ads Manager, and you want to get into there by just going to this link. When you go to create an advert, you're going to have a number of different campaign objectives, and that is when people go, oh, what do I do? Why would I do one of these versus another one? So let's just look at those. Now, the great thing about this is you can have a quick little description here. You can see brand awareness. Show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Think of brand awareness as being like TV advertising. There's not a specific product half the time. It's usually just making sure that you know that brand exists. And that's what brand awareness is all about. Now, reach, on the other hand, means reaching out to as many people as possible. So you choose your demographics and you want to make sure that you get the right people, as many as possible for your budget, seeing your ad. So that doesn't necessarily mean, though, that they're going to interact with your ad. That's where we get to the next stage, which is consideration. Now, traffic is the classic one that people do. Send people to a destination such as a website, an app, a Facebook event, or Messenger conversation. People often use these to send traffic to their landing pages and sales pages, but I'm going to recommend a different objective for that in a minute. But this is really good for just making sure you get lots of traffic on your site. If you want to actually have a sale or something on there, absolutely get more eyeballs there. Starting out, use your traffic, it's easy to do. Engagement is all about liking, sharing, commenting on your posts, getting likes to your page, events, responses, things like that. So that's really going to help you to build your community on your pages and those kind of things. Now, just to be clear, the Ads Manager is just relevant to your pages, not your personal timeline. App installs is all about getting people to install your apps and engage with them. Video views is about getting as many people to view your videos. And the thing about video is you want them to watch as much of the video as possible. The more you can do that, the better engagement you're going to get on your videos and on your pages and all of your content. So videos are really important. You don't want people just being there for a second and moving on. So video views is looking for people more likely to watch your videos. And you can measure these stats and things to see how much people are watching them once you've done these ads. Lead generation. Collect leads for your business or brand. So this is not to be confused with lead generation that you set up using a landing page off of Facebook. Lead generation uses a pop-up system within Facebook called lead ads, getting people's email addresses or their phone numbers, whatever, and then you can contact them. But it is different to a fully developed funnel that you will have developed on your website or on a special landing page builder. Messages. Show people ads that allow them to engage with you on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram Direct. So it's all about starting a conversation. So if that's what you want to do, it's a great campaign objective. So this is the one I was referring to before, conversions. Conversions is really the key to creating great ads with landing pages and sales pages. The idea is that the ad's objective is to find people more likely to convert on the page. So if you think about traffic is all about just getting people to your landing page. Conversions are about getting people to actually interact and then convert on this page, i.e. purchasing something, opting in for your lead magnet, whatever you want them to do on that page. So you can track all that within the Ad Manager, but that is the key. And this is where, when you use this, your ads get to optimize really well. Now, the conversion ad uses the pixel, and the pixel is key to this whole Facebook advertising experience to make your ads more effective. Catalog sales is all about if you've got a catalog online, the Facebook catalog itself is available then where you can do adverts straight to that. So if you're selling an online program or product through Facebook. Store traffic is specifically for helping people to find your physical store, your bricks and mortar store. So the idea is that you've got ads there, and when people are nearby, then they will actually see those ads and they'll go, oh cool, there's a shop nearby, I can see it. So that's the campaign objectives within Facebook. Each one has its own nuances and dynamics that you need to go through. But fundamentally, it's all about knowing what you want to achieve from your ads. And as you can see, each one has specific objectives. So think about what do you want to achieve from your Facebook ad. So that is ad campaign objectives explained. This is just the first step in creating an ad campaign. If you want more Facebook ad training so you're empowered to create these yourself, rather than outsourcing it and probably not getting the results you want, then we can help you. In Girl Director Academy, there's comprehensive training where you will learn how to set up your ads, track the data, and use the analytics to produce the best campaigns possible for your business. If you want to take yourself from invisible to visible and really understand what is going on with your marketing, then have a chat with one of our team today using this button here. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest video marketing trends.